Hi, good day. My name is Latifa Scott, and today's tutorial will be about networking virtual machines together, promoting Server 2008 as a primary domain controller, and installing Active Directory on Server 2008. We'll start off first with networking machines together. First, you go to Network Sharing and Center. You ensure that your network discovery is on. File sharing is on. Public folder sharing is on. Printer sharing is off. And for the sake of this tutorial, password protected sharing is off. Repeat the same steps for Windows Vista and Windows 7. Next, we're going to assign a static IP address for each virtual machine. To configure the adapter, you go to Connection Settings of the IP version 4, Properties, Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. You click on Use the following IP address to enter it manually. You'll type in 192.168.0.1. For the preferred DNS server, for Windows 2008, we will use the same as the IP address, which is 192.168.0.1. Click OK. For the sake of this tutorial, we will disable IP version 6. Click those. Click those. Now you repeat the same steps for the other two virtual machines with IP address 192.168.0.2 for 7. For Windows 7, and the DNS server is the same as the Server 2008. IP address 192.168.0.3 for Vista. For Vista, however, the preferred DNS server has to be the DNS server for Windows Server 2008. Click OK. First, we are going to attempt to communicate with the other virtual machine. One way to do this is running a ping command to the IP address. So you go to your Start tab, type CMD, type in ping, and the server IP address in this case would be 192.168.0.1. You will not get a reply in this case. To rectify this problem, you go to Machine, Settings, Network, the Attach to drop down, select Host Only Adapter, Advanced Settings. You're going to make sure that your adapter type is Intel Pro /1000 empty desktop, and click OK. Now you repeat the configuration settings for the other two machines. After your configuration settings, you repeat the ping command. As you can see, we got a reply. Now you're going to repeat the ping command for Windows Vista. Then we're going to make sure that all the virtual machines are visible to one another. To do this, you use the same ping command on each machine to ping the others. Now that your networking of virtual machines is successful, we're going to end today's video there, and in the next video we're going to install Active Directory in Server 2008 and promote Server 2008 as a primary domain controller.